In this video, we're going to talk about when and how to drill holes in a car panel. So you're restoring or repairing a car. When do you want to drill holes? Maybe you have to put a luggage rack on or some other item you need to install to the vehicle. When do you want to drill the holes? Ideally, you want to do it before the car is painted for a couple of reasons. The first reason is where that drill goes through the metal at, well, that outside edge is going to be metal, and that could be a place where it could cause rusting later. Another reason is if you go to drill and that drill slides on you a little bit, walks on you, it's not going to damage the paint. This way it's a lot safer and you don't take a chance of damaging the paint whenever you're drilling. Whenever drilling metal, you need to put a little indention in the metal. So you're going to measure out where this should be, where you want your hole at, and then you can use a hammer and center punch to put that indention in there. Or I like this automatic spring-loaded center punch, where you just put it on where you want to drill the hole, you push in on it, and it's spring-loaded, and when you put a certain amount of pressure on it, it pops. And what that does, that just puts a little indention in the metal, and that will seat your drill bit. That'll help keep your drill bit from walking around or sliding outside of the indention. It helps drill straight through the metal. Now, whenever drilling, you also want to keep in mind you don't want to overheat the bit. You don't want to overheat the metal, especially if it's thicker metal. So drilling metal, you don't really want to drill with a very high RPM. And you also, to help keep it cool, you can use some paste, some drilling paste or oil that they have available. You put that on the drill bit. That helps it stay cool and keeps from burning the bit or overheating the metal. But there may be times where you need to install something in the vehicle and it's already painted. What do you do then? Well, here's some tips for that. Get some tape and put over the area where you're going to be drilling. And what this will do, this will help protect the paint. If the drill walks a little bit or slides off the surface, it's going to get on top of the tape, probably scratch the tape and not the paint. And it also helps from chipping the outside edges of the paint when the drill bit goes through. Then you're going to follow the same steps. You're going to get your punch, whatever type, either hammer and punch or this automatic punch, and you're going to put an indention in the metal, and then you're going to drill through the metal. Now there's one step we're going to do after this. We're just using this bare metal coupon, but we're going to pretend that this is painted. I'm going to get some self-etch primer and I'm going to spray in there so that self-etch coats the inside of that hole. That way it'll prevent it from rusting later. This was just a quick tip. I hope it helps. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.